Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw this super cute cactus in a pot. And let's get started. You'll need a pen, some paper and something to colour it in with. So to start off with, we're going to draw the pot first. So we'll draw the top of the pot. I should say too, I'm actually going to teach you this funky little colouring in trick that I've used on this one, which involves doing outlines as well as the colouring in the internals in two different mediums, one in pencil and one in textile. So let's get back to it. So the pot, we're going to draw the top lip of the pot. So you're going to draw two opposite lines here, and we're going to curve around and then back up to sort of make the pot look a little bit more 3D. And follow again at the top here. Then we'll do the bottom of the pot. So come in a little bit from the top lip of the pot. And we're going to come down, and come in a bit and come down. And then you're going to curve along the bottom and then back up. And that is our pot there, which will help us pop in the cactus. So the top of the cactus is just like a big mountain or a big upside down U shape that we're going to start sort of in a bit from the edge. Start here, we're going to go all the way up, over, around and back down. And now you've done this bit, you don't have to do this, but you can then, these corners of the pots, if you curve around like that, curve from the side here down to this point, and then same again on this side, it'll just make the cactus, see how it looks like it's actually in the pot? That's just another little trick to make your pictures look less flat and less two-dimensional. And then our little cactus has like a little arm bit coming off here, so we'll draw that as well. So come up a little bit further. You can do a couple of these if you want. I might do two just to show you. One little arm on that side, and then we'll do another little arm up here. Just like that. So now it looks like it's waving at us. This little cactus has a little flower on its head. So we'll go and draw a flower here. A couple more of little upside down U-shaped bubbles. And then, the spikes. So our little cactus has spikes. Easy to draw those. They're just little lines coming off the border all the way around, see? And that just helps to make your cactus look a little bit spiky and prickly, like so. You don't have to do many, you can do as many as you want. Now we'll do their cute little faces. So we're just going to do the eyes and the mouth. The cheeks, as you can see, they're done in colour. So we'll do our cactus's eyes first. One eye, two eyes, and a cute little mouth, quite close to the eyes. And then same with the pot. One eye, two eyes, and then a cute little mouth. Okay, so that's pretty much what you need to do the outline of your picture. Now to do this funky little colouring trick, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So start with your textures. So I'm going to pick, I think we'll get some green for the cactus. We need pink. Shall I do pink? Yeah, I'll do pink again. Pink for the flower and the cheeks. And then we need a brown. Yeah, I'll do dark brown. A brown for the pot. So whatever colours you pick, you need those colours in textures. And then you also need the same colours again, but in pencil. So we'll get a brown here. Get it out. Brown to match. I also have a darker brown. I might grab both. Maybe I'll use the darker brown this one. I used both last. Oh no, we'll use the light brown. Never mind. Now I actually don't have a pink pencil, but I did use this red, and it actually looked fine. And then you need a green, like so. Okay, so we'll start with the outlines of the picture. So we'll start with the green. We'll start with the cactus, and we're just going to get, I'm going to use the chiseled end of this. If you're using a normal texture, it doesn't matter. And you're just going to follow the black outline all the way around on the inside, like so. See that? And that's it. You're not going to colour anything in. You're just purely following the border. Which sort of gives it this funky little glow. Actually, I need to do that there. This funky little glow to your artwork. Like so. Now our little cactus sort of has like some little shadow lines, so I did little squiggles, like so. Oh, leave space for the cheeks. I probably should have done the cheeks first. So I'm gonna leave a gap for the cheek. And so that's what we need for the green. I'll show you how to do the cheeks now. So just an oval underneath the eye and colour it in. Oval underneath the eye and colour it in. We'll do the same on the pot as well. There we go. And then while we're at it, while we've got the pink, we'll do the flower. Border around the outside. So, yep. And that's it for the pink. The last thing we need to do is the brown. So I'll get the, I'm just going to colour in this, it's quite dark. Now my brown is actually quite close to black, so it's going to look like a really thick, I don't know if that's coming up on your end, but it looks like a very thick line where I am. If you had a lighter brown, which I don't have, it might look a little bit more glowy. There we go. And that's it for the texture side of things. We'll put those to the side. Now for the pencils. So we'll colour in the flower. Now, remember I said this was red? If I press really lightly, you'll see it kind of looks pink. It's not too bad. So if you don't have pink, don't worry. We'll do the green for the cactus now. I just love the way this looks. I just think it's so different. Sometimes it's fun to sort of experiment with different colouring and art techniques because you just never know what methods you might like, other than the normal, you know, just colouring it straight in with textures or pencils. So that's the green, and then lucky last is the pot, which is brown. Go. All done. You now have a super cute cactus in a pot. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Remember, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Like this video as well. That helps it reach more people who want to do some fun, cute drawings, and helps me keep doing this for you guys for free. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.